We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment number 322. This is a north rectangle on the 3rd floor of the 6th floor building. Let's go on in. You can see we're entering through the kitchen here on our left side. There's a refrigerator, the dishwasher, the microwave, stove, oven. You can see some cabinets and drawers here in this kitchen. This is a nice sized kitchen for one person. Let's go on into the main area of the apartment. We'll pass by the closet here on our left. We'll take a look in there. Now I know you've seen these apartments in the other videos, and these north rectangle style apartments are all the same layout. We like to show you some more samples so you can get some ideas of different ways that people have arranged their furniture within the apartments. The apartments will always be furnished with a full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, bookshelf, and a dining table. We're going to turn around. We'll take a look in the bathroom. These bathrooms are always the same. You'll have your standing tub shower, your vanity, your toilet over here. This one we can kind of see into the medicine cabinet a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Also, the position within the floor will have some variation of what you see out your window. So again, we're on the north side or street side of the building. Here we're closer to the east end of the building, so we're closer to the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. You can see ahead of us here. So we've got some great people watching opportunities here in Central Collegetown in these north rectangles. So we have this style of apartment on floors 2 through 6. The numbers are 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, and 24. This is apartment number 22 on the 3rd floor in Collegetown Center, 322, a north rectangle, and we're located just 1 block from campus here in Central Collegetown.